So let us see this question. So calculate the wavelength of light in air and in glass. In both of them I want to find out. If the frequency of light is 6 into 10 power 14 hertz, frequency of light is given, and refractive index of glass is given as 1.5. Okay, see here we will study some of the properties of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Okay, see. So when light enters another medium, okay, speed changes because wavelength changes. Speed changes because wavelength changes. Okay, frequency never changes. Frequency is never going to change. Are you able to understand me? When light enters from one medium to another medium, speed changes differently. Why speed is changing? Speed is changing because wavelength is changing. And frequency of light will never change. What is meant by frequency? Number of oscillations it is performing in 1 second, that will never change. Because frequency is always decided by the source which is producing that light. Are you able to understand that? So because who decides the frequency? Frequency is decided by source which is producing this light or which is producing this sound, whatever it may be. Okay. Now what is the equation to calculate speed of an electromagnetic wave? Light is an electromagnetic wave only, no? Okay. The equation is V is equals to nu lambda. This is the equation. Okay. So this is the equation by which we can calculate speed of any electromagnetic wave. V is equals to nu lambda. Are you able to understand? What is meant by V here? V is nothing but speed. Nu is called as a frequency. Nu. Clear? Lambda is called as wavelength. Are you able to understand? How I got this equation? I got this equation from the relation velocity is equals to displacement by time, from the same relation. We know this relation, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Clear, Nama? So velocity is equals to, displacement is nothing but one wavelength, length of a wave. Difference between, distance between two successive crests or two successive troughs is called as one wavelength. That we will discuss later. So here displacement is nothing but wavelength. And 1 by time period is nothing but a frequency. No? What is meant by 1 by time period? 1 by time period is nothing but frequency. Here I have 1 by t. No? 1 by t can be written as frequency also. So lambda multiplied by frequency. Frequency can be written as n also. Frequency can be written as f also. Frequency can be written as nu also. Okay, man? So this is meant by frequency. So from the same relation, velocity is equal to displacement by time only, I got this relation V is equals to nu lambda. Are you able to understand? Ma? So this is the equation to calculate velocity of any wave, any electromagnetic wave or even mechanical waves also you can calculate by this relation. V is equals to nu lambda. Are you able to understand? Ma? Okay. So now after writing here, see ma, when light enters from one medium to another medium, definitely speed changes. No? When light enters from one medium to another medium, for example, if light is entering from denser medium to rarer medium, light is entering from denser medium to rarer medium, then what happens to the speed of light? Speed of light increases. No? When light enters from denser to rarer, speed will increase. Why speed is increasing? Speed is increasing because of frequency, not because of frequency. Frequency is always a constant, it will never change. Frequency will never change. Frequency is decided by the source which is producing this light. For example, the light which we are receiving, this is obtained in the sun, no? This is obtained on the surface of the sun. So sun decides the frequency of the light, and you can never change that frequency. Then what you can change? You can change only lambda value, wavelength you can change. Okay. So when speed of the light is increasing, it means out of these two what should happen, ma? When speed of light is increasing, what do you understand? Frequency is always a constant. Then what should increase? Wavelength should increase. So when speed of the light is increasing, it means that wavelength of the light is increasing. When speed of the light is decreasing, it means wavelength of the light is decreasing. But what about the frequency? Frequency will never change. That is the condition. Are you able to understand, ma? Frequency never changes. So this is an introduction about this question, how to solve this question. Are you able to understand? First to make a note up to here, then we will do the actual problem. So therefore, now we are supposed to calculate the wavelength of light in air as well as in glass. Frequency is already given, nama. Sima, first of all, if I take air, so what is the speed of light in air? Speed of light in air is how much? So it is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. That is the speed of light in air, nama. Okay. Speed formula, nu lambda. V is equals to nu lambda. So frequency is already given, no? So can't I find out the wavelength? Okay. So therefore lambda is equals to V by nu. Okay. Velocity is how much? It is 3 into 10 power 8 divided by frequency. Frequency is how much, ma? 6 into 10 power 40. So therefore I can write it as 0.5 multiplied by 10 power 8 minus 40. So 0.5 multiplied by, so 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 6, or you can write 5 into 10 power minus 7 hertz. Okay, ma? So wavelength, no, this one. So meters. Okay. So this is the wavelength of light where in air. When light is traveling in air, then this is the wavelength of air. Wavelength means what, ma? Light is traveling in the form of electromagnetic waves, no? Okay. So distance between this point and this point, this total distance we can call it as wavelength of the light. So when light is present in air, then air has this much amount of wavelength, 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Are you able to understand, ma? Okay. Now, what about the wavelength of light when it enters into glass? How can I do this calculation? When the same light, when it enters into glass, then what will be its wavelength? First of all, can you say wavelength increases or decreases? Wavelength, will it increase or decrease? Wavelength decreases. Why wavelength decreases? No? Because speed reduces. No? When light enters into denser medium, what happens to speed of light? Speed reduces. For speed to reduce, what should reduce? Wavelength should reduce. So definitely wavelength will be less than 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now let us. So therefore, if I study about glass, okay. First of all, what is the velocity of light in glass, ma? Do you know? What is the velocity of light in glass? Glass lo velocity anta untundi. Velocity of light in glass is how much? Do we know that? Do we know that? I don't know. Then what I have to do? So it means you have to take the help of refractive index, no? Speed of light in glass, I don't know. In air, I know it is 3 into 10 power 8. But in the case of glass, I don't know, no? So how you can calculate? You have to take the help of refractive index. So what is meant by refractive index? So speed of light in air divided by speed of light in glass. So this is called refractive index, no? That is the meaning of refractive index, no? It is a comparison, speed of light in air divided by speed of light in that particular medium. Okay. Refractive index is given as how much? 1.25. Speed of light in air is how much? It is 3 into 10 power 8 divided by velocity in the case of glass is how much? I don't know. So therefore velocity of light in glass is, so 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1.5. So 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So I got the velocity of light in glass, no? Are you able to understand, no? So first of all, I got velocity of light in glass. Now same type of calculation I can do once again. Are you able to understand? So now here I will write a glass. Okay, speed of light in glass is how much? It is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Same equation. So here instead of 3 I have to write 2. Frequency will never change, no? Frequency of light 6 into 10 power 8. When it is air also same frequency. When it is in glass also same frequency. Frequency will never change. Okay. So therefore, if I do this calculation, 2 by 6 is how much, ma? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 0.33. Okay. So therefore, it is 3.3 into 10 powers minus 7 meters. That is our answer. Have you understood? Okay. Same equation. But why I have used here the concept of refractive index? Because I don't know the speed of light in glass. In glass, what is the speed? I don't know. So first of all, I have calculated that one. Then again substituted in the same equation of V is equals to nu lambda. Then I got the answer. Fine. That's it.